Alkaline have more respect for Vice Cartel than most of these artists in our business. You don't realize that Alkaline have more respect for Vice Cartel in the music game than most of these artists when not even there at Alkaline level. The artists them when not there at Alkaline level.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I don't know a Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, I know things that people. Haha, boy. May I tell you, yo, them always say, no, the stone of the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. People, stay tuned. Look forward to the future. You see that youth when you're Alkaline? Just look how that youth are going to mash up airwave. May I tell yo, that youth are going to turn over dancehall. You see, same youth to them 5 years. I see him youth, them a draw back for. Remember, I know, the same youth, where everybody, all of them team up, are the same youth them a use to bring down back them same artists they were them team up with. See, right now, the Gaza fan them, right now, they come like say they want to draw Alkaline in a Gaza thing right now. I never know said this day Gaza fan would I rate Alkaline over Masicka. I really go in a Jan trap, yes, sir. No, una figure that Gaza man, I serious. May I tell you, it's serious.
Gaza Nation, I want to tell me if I'm wrong to say this or if I fuck with me a chat, right? I want to tell me if I fuck with me a chat, you know. Or, yeah, big man thing. Don't speak me in the comment section. Beat me with an iron belt if I fuck with me a chat, alright? No, my side, don't know what he said. Alkaline have more respect for Vice Cartel than most of these artists in our business. You don't realize that Alkaline have more respect for Vice Cartel in the music game than most of these artists when not even there at Alkaline level. The artists them when not there at Alkaline level, so hungry for fame and disrespectful. Big man thing, Alkaline is one of the most manageable dancehall artists.
Yo, you know what the funniest thing? I kind of realize, you see, once you know this cartel, they want to give that respect there, you know. You understand? But it tell you, because they talk about respect, right? Brother, it's not respect Alkaline, respect cartel, and brother. The fact is that Alkaline had the dancehall, Alkaline are focused on him career, right? Yes, him step to cartel, seeing, alright, cartel are doing thing. Alkaline now meds nobody in a dancehall. You understand? People make it seems like the Alkaline are meds cartel. Cause I remember when cartel just forward out and every song where Alkaline drop, them put it for say a cartel Alkaline at all. When them a song you do way before cartel. Way before cartel. You understand? Alkaline now meds cartel, bro. And that's the problem. You realize that this youth, him dep on social media, but him not dep on social. Mean is a brother, him see what I go on, but you not go see him a comment or type or nothing. You understand? That's why I'm saying, yo, I be an idiot, them run with internet. With the internet, you understand? So him must see what I go on, but it's just that him not focus. You know, like you have some artists on social media comment every time. Alkaline and time for that, bro. That's why the youth even growing. You understand? It's not really say respect him, respect cartel, brother. The man just now made cartel, bro. When everybody maybe a pre-cartel and whatsoever, Alkaline is not doing that. Alkaline in a different world, fam. You understand? Different world. The fans them and certain people would have think say, yo, Alkaline are meds. You understand? If you realize the man in him zone, the man not do social media like that for meds nobody. The amount of people call out Alkaline name, brother. Man meds that, brother. You know see, the man create him brand. The man have him shows. The man create him app. The man did a lot of things. Alkaline maybe all have all apartments a build up. Who to knows where man focus on. So I don't know, respect, brother. It's just that Alkaline now meds nobody. It's not like when Masicka talk about King and Ray. Cause I come from Funo camp. You understand? Alkaline just now meds them. Alkaline now meds nobody, brother. So that's why I don't feel like say, yo, I see it. See him like how Cartel maybe dead and him a do him thing with him family and I enjoy him life and him name a call. I see him say with Alkaline now meds nobody, brother. You understand?
If you don't notice all of the disrespect them when him this Vice Cartel, they were never a farmer disrespect like prerogative are like dark. Him same thing, grimy. Yeah, big up Alkaline. You know why me go big up then that boy? You know me I big up blind boss? You know why me I big up blind boss? Big man think that gets all these years, bro, up on a real life. When me check it facts, Alkaline, you know say, you never yet this vice cartel to the level of the snake though. The rat snake, Masicka. Big man think Alkaline, you go give you respect, you know, bro. Me no rate your song them because you say brata, me no say brata. But me rate some of the things them what you do in a dancer. What?
People, you see how the dancehall space hypocrite. You saw them people here move. The same set of people them. Years ago when that bring down Alkaline and say him can't this the Gaza boss, he can't this that. Yo, I want to you. Yo, him not do nothing for dancehall. It's the same set of people them now. I big up Alkaline. Who do you ever believe this a go happen? Eh? Rotted. It come like, yo, dog, me I tell you to rat. Yo, me sorry for Masicka, you know. Me sorry for Masicka, dog. Them always say keep your enemies closer to rotted, me I tell you. But you know what? Let me tell you, more while, you know, the Gaza people them rate Alkaline, you know. You understand? Them rate Alkaline. The thing is that enough of them are listen Alkaline music. Them see everything we are going. Right? But in the public space or the public media space, them are gonna act like that. But behind doors, because look here, you not see Alkaline forward and I say nothing about nobody or bring up nobody name. The youth just put out music. You understand? So the music has speak for himself. The youth are doing shows, him now meds nobody. Seeing? So it's like, yo, I'm gonna say, I respect that youth, you know, because I'm not too talk, you know. So true Masicka now, I go on with a bag of thing. See? Them a try use Alkaline now, you know. If I say, yo, move for me, I say that you're bigger than Alkaline. Yo, respect Alkaline more, because him never this vice cartel, him never do this, him never do that. That is what, you see when, yo, you see when you see people use them enemy, if you bring down a next person, them rate them. You understand? It's just that, true at that time when Alkaline did that, you know, back and forth with the cartel thing and, you know, yeah. But look how them I use Alkaline now for bring down Masicka. Yes, how life funny? That me I try to show you. Look how man them I say, yo, them respect Alkaline no and this and that, you know. Alkaline say the fool is the last to know. You understand me tell you know? Stone where the builder refuse, I become the head cornerstone. You understand? So, yo, me I tell you, brother. Alkaline are the man, brother. Me I tell you, cause yo, the youth just do him own thing and the man just not say nothing. The man just had put in the work and it's like, yo, the youth name and call more than anybody, brother. You understand? The man just a live him life and people just him name like. You know, me realize them use Alkaline as a weapon for this artist. Me see them do it with Popcorn. Any artist want this Popcorn, them use Alkaline, call him microwave. See, me see one video out there where them a use Alkaline for this bounty. I say, yo, you see where Vendetta boss do? Look, you see man make you what people them walk out for you in a show. Them always a use Alkaline as a weapon. The same man where them never the two in a back then, you know. Them a use him now. Them rate Alkaline, but them just now come out and say it. You understand? Yeah.
Me say that as a Gaza fans, bro. Bro, as a Gaza fan, me I come to you, come tell them. Gaza nation, if me lying, you beat me. Remember good, you know, man. Alkaline never step out of boundary, you know. Never yet, you know. When it come to vice cartel, you know, even around the clash, you know. You notice, Alkaline still have so much respect for vice cartel. We not even have the time as Gaza fans to really take a step back and say, Bumbo, like, no, so that you could have really go harder. That you could have really go hard, like, extremely harder. Know him have talent. Know him him know him craft, him master him craft, and the youth yeah, good at what him do. But what? Him never yet try size up with the king. Oh, Alkaline a bigger artist in Masicka. Never yet try this vice cartel in a them way. Yeah.
Because the man now meds cartel, bro. The man never said Gaza, bro. You understand? Masicka gets strength from the Gaza. Seeing? And now he maybe feel like, say, yo, cartel a try hold back him brand. That's the way maybe feel. Because I must say, yo, he must fight them system. Seeing? Alkaline never get no strength from the Gaza. right? Alkaline and meds theme career. Alkaline and meds no body career. That's why I'm reach where I'm there now. You understand? Alkaline have cartel in their mind, bro. You understand? So one of my see him say, yo, respect and certain things. It's just that when you're not med somebody, brother, you're not no time for say nothing to no man. You understand? It's like Alkaline live a town, cartel live a country. Them no par, them no link, nothing. Brother, we not meds. You understand? Alkaline not meds who are going a country. So it might seem to no say a respect because when you check it, well, at this moment, yeah, an Alkaline singing them song say, yo, nah get no pussy at the palma. Better hold your corner. Seeing? Big song, now feel like. Seeing? After that now, bro, tell me you know Alkaline. What Alkaline are gonna make this cartel for now? For one now, the youth have him big brand, him owner, the two biggest fan base in the dancehall, cartel, Gaza and Vendetta. What the man a made cartel for? The man on the time for made cartel, bro. Remember, you know, brother, cartel soon want to go sit down one side, you know, bro. Like every other elder in the business, you know. Alkaline did it. Alkaline have more work for put in, base get more bigger, more, you understand? Him big already, but him have more achievement where maybe want in a dancehall, whatever thing him have set in his mind to accomplish. Remember 10 years Alkaline gone, bro. And him had do way good already. So imagine when him get 20 years, 30 years in the game. You understand? So Alkaline now meds cartel. So it might seem like say, yo, it's a respect. Bro, Alkaline is a youth where, bro, him not have time for bad mind nobody. You understand? Him not, if you diss him in a way, him just cut off from you. Him not come out and say nothing. Say, yo, that boy they diss me, you know. That boy they diss me. You understand? I know them man they forward upon you that say, yo, man and them boy they no link. If you diss him and him feel say yes, him feel say you diss him just cut you off. Gam in him zone. You understand? You're Alkaline with a friend. So you know hear from them man there. Bro, them man they not run into people, dog. Them man they are by themselves. If you watch a music video them, him alone in a music video them. You know see a one bag of man. When him just a start out, usually stays. But if you realize the Alkaline music video them, him alone. I see him say man roll. You understand? Yeah, man.
After Vice Cartel come from jail, Masicka Alkaline give Vice Cartel more respect than 90% of the artists them Vice Cartel link with.
Yo, this man say, yo, when Cartel come from jail, Alkaline give then Alkaline come out. Then Alkaline come out and say anything to you, me respect Cartel like when come from prison. Brother, why the man I think so? Brother, the man now means Cartel, brother. When you realize when somebody a focus on them career.
90% when Vice Cartel come from jail, Vice Cartel have suckle Batty Boy Josh in a pitch that a Mecca. Cause so him stay father back, right? He chop in a one corner with a little one dragon can pack it in week. Anyway, big woman think Vendetta boss never cross certain line. And we guys are fan. We can't put respect on Vendetta name. In a real life, why? Cause Vendetta never yet do the things them with Alkaline. When you go back and process the things them with Vendetta say about Vice Cartel. When you go back and do the research and what's the difference? Oh, Vendetta deal with film thing compared to Vice Cartel. So you want to know real Judas, you want to know real Snake, you want to know real Peace, you want to know people hungry for fame. Alkaline not hungry for fame. Alkaline not hungry for fame. Masicka will sell himself soul and I walk with a goat chain upon him neck. Him sell him soul with him not. You wait, you soon see when he talk. But remember, you know, him have to make him sacrifice. If him not making sacrifice, at 25 he might get Vice Cartel to 13, he might do 25. Remember?
Yo, imagine when Masicka usually they run them money. And if you see them money forward. Them guys are money forward and I talk about Masicka dog. Yo, Jano, bro. But brother, you have to understand say from Alkaline just now meds cartel. You have to understand this, bro. When Alkaline just boss, right? Alkaline give respect to every artist, you know, bro. It's just that you know expects Alkaline to give Vice Cartel a special ratings when him say him big up everybody in the music. Him respect everybody. I want respect, bro. There's no special respect. If you respect somebody, you just respect somebody, brother. You understand? At that time when Alkaline found out, I guess Cartel for getting more respect than every other artist in a dancehall. Seeing? Remember say Alkaline father not do him own a thing. I do him interview. Him never call Cartel name, him never say nothing about Cartel. The question I bring up, keep on I bring up and I ask about Cartel if him feel any way about Cartel and no special ratings and this and that. That are the argument you bring up with the youth. The youth never meds nobody when him forward in the game. You understand? So when you check it, from day one, Alkaline now men's cartel, bro. You understand? Him done as him respect every artist in a dancehall. Him said that who there before him. So forwarding to now, it even worse, bro. What you try to say? From the get-go, bro, in Alkaline bus. Cartel never do nothing to Alkaline when him just bust and forward out. And when the argument come to him and the man say, yo, him big up, him respect Cartel like every other artist in a dancehall. You understand? And that's how everything start from. You see it? So, bro, Alkaline now meds nobody, brother. You notice Alkaline name call up more than any other artist in a dancehall. And this youth, not in the media, him no come out and say nothing. Nobody no know where him live. You understand? So it shows say, yo, the power of the youth, the work when put in. Imagine, right now, Alkaline, you good as all see mal for 2 years. And his name just a call right to left. Everybody use him name for do different things. Get views, for bring down a next artist. Everything. Yeah, and the youth just in him corner focus on him career. You understand where? The same thing they can remember, you know. See, youth come with him up right now, you know. You see all the app thing there? Yo, it a go mad. Just wait. Look what go on. But, brother, Alkaline just now meds no artist in a game, brother. Man is a focus on him career. And that's why the youth get so is legendary in the game.
I'm telling you here, you have to do what they want, you know. Remember, Alkaline either have to go fuck animal. That's something, or some weird shit. When you see him signing at this, rest him hungry for fame. So if only ever know where coming when time them sell them soul and them hungry for fame, so like Masicka all my show. Kind of depend on him man not big as Skilly Bang heel. Him man not big like one as Skilly Bang sang and I talk about him as the king of this generation. Just because him make 2 albums that do good. You tell no bigger than Popcorn, no time, Masicka. Masicka, you're not bigger than Popping, no time. Masicka, you're not on Popcorn level, no point in time, bro. And we now come around and come say, we say Gaza, we're going to show everything from Gaza side. Like, Masicka, you do good, you have good numbers in the dancehall, but and numbers we are talking about right now, bro. Skilly Bang, Popcorn, Alkaline, you have to talk about them. You they like 6 dumps, so weird dumps, all other artists are do better than you.
Bro, Masicka just force right, brother. You understand? Remember, say, Uno prep up Masicka, you know. Uno give Masicka the strength. That's why the man feel like him are the goat and the king. You understand? So, Uno give him the strength. So, when him fall out and I say these things, although we know him not dep on them level, but I saw a thing of people. Yo, life just funny, dog. We could believe them money where you usually tear down Alkaline brand. Come now, I use Alkaline for bring down Masicka. Jaja, youth. That's why I tell you, I have to rate Alkaline, I have to rate Alkaline because you see that youth there now. The youth is so militant, like, yo, the youth just move like him just move like how an artist will really move, dog. Focus on them art and them craft, bro. And push forward to them success, brother. You understand? The youth not depend on media, the youth not give nobody no waste of energy. The youth just have focus on a building brand. And that me rate with the youth. You understand? But when I don't know enough people, I just saw the thing set, you know. Yeah, man, and don't know one media facts and respect for the support, you see me? Yeah, man, bless up everybody, you see it? All fan base, when I don't know a thing set. I one dancehall, you see it? Yeah, man, that is it.